Hello and welcome back everyone. Welcome to Shobhik Biology tutorial. In this video, I am discussing about different types of species interactions with examples. Now, first we have to know what is species interactions. Species interactions means the interactions between species in a community, in a given community, right? Species interactions are the interactions between species in a given community. Because in nature, no species can exist in complete isolation. Okay? No species can exist in complete isolation. So interactions between species are necessary for survival of the species and the stability of the species in nature. There are many types of species interactions. There may be some positive interactions. These are also negative interactions. Here I am taking different types for examination purposes. First, mutualism. Mutualism, it is plus relation. Okay, that means here both species are benefited from each other. Both species benefited. Okay, and examples. One suitable example is lichen. Okay, this lichen is association of fungi plus algae. And how they help each other? Fungi have threads which is used for absorbing inorganic substances. Okay, and then it gives to the algae. Then algae takes it and used it for photosynthesis. Okay, and produces organic substances, which is further these organic substances are taken by fungi. Fungi helps to collect the inorganic materials and give to the algae, and algae produces organic materials which is taken by fungi. That's how fungi and algae help each other. Okay. Next interaction is commensalism. Commensalism is plus zero relation. That means here one species benefited and the other species unaffected. Unaffected means this species neither harmed nor benefited. So it is unaffected. What is the example of commensalism? As for example, tree frogs use plants for protection. Okay, that means tree frogs here are benefited and plants are unaffected. Okay, next interaction, it is amensalism. This is minus zero relation. That means here one species harmed and other species unaffected. Okay, so it is denoted by minus and zero relation. Okay, one species here harmed and other species remains unaffected. Now, what is the example? In antibiotics, fungi like penicillium Penicillium notatum. Okay, I'm writing here only genus name. Penicillium produces penicillin, which is an antibiotic. So this antibiotic is produced by fungi and acts on bacteria, and it acts on bacteria and kill such bacteria. But this penicillin does not harm to the fungi. So here bacteria, that means one species is harmed, and to the other one from which this antibiotic is produced, that means here fungi, so fungi remains unaffected. Okay, so this is the example of amensalism. Next is competition. Competition is minus relation. That means here both species have negative effect on each other. That means here both species are harmed by each other. Okay, in competition what happens? This competition occurs among organisms for the same limited resource. Suppose here grasses, here some grasses, and suppose cows, 4 cows are existed here. So there are limited resources such as here grasses. So to collect these grasses, 4 cows compete among each other. Okay, so here this competition occurs among organisms for the same limited resources. Okay, this competition occurs among interspecific or intraspecific. Okay, intraspecific means individuals in the same species, and interspecific means the competition, interspecific competition means the competition among different species. So such competition occurs in intraspecific as well as in interspecific. Okay, next is predation. Predation is plus minus relation. Okay, parasitism, in case of parasitism, it is also plus minus relation. That means in both cases one species benefited and the other species is harmed. Here also same phenomenon occurs. But what is the difference between predation and parasitism? In parasitism, what happens? If we see the example, lion kills zebra and eats. Okay, so here what happens? Here predation means here predator, lion is the predator. So predator kills the prey. Okay, predator kills the prey and then eat it. Okay, but in case of parasitism, what happens? Parasitism, here also one species benefited and other harmed. But in parasitism, host and parasite both are different species, both are different, but parasite in general does not kill its host, because parasite resides in the host and take nutrition from it. If it kills the host, then how can this parasite get nutrition from the host? So in general, parasite does not kill its host, but in predation, predator kills the prey and eats. Okay, so both are plus minus, and this is the difference between it. So that's all about the types of species interactions. I hope this video is helpful. If you really understand this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel for getting more videos like that. Thank you very much.